What a week. Didn't quite get to where I wanted to, but still got a lot done. Roll the credits. Alright, starting over here, finished the end panels on this cabinet, doors are hung, all it's waiting on now is just the bench top. These look lovely, infill panels are painted. Still doing a piece of tassie oak trim to go along the top edge, and that'll tie it into this top beam as well. Need a little piece of trim down here, a little piece of trim on the floor, and of course architraves got to go back on and paint, but it's just about ready for that. Again, more infill panels are painted. Oh, this is cool. Okay, what looks like two doors, like other two doors in the kitchen. Two bins, pull-out bins even. Nice, and it's got a shelf in there to put cleaning products and everything in. Okay, bench tops all done, as you saw in the last video. Got to finish the architraves, which are tas oak, and seal them. Once they're in place, then I can start tiling and tiling and tiling and tiling. Microwave cabinet, as you saw last week. More infill panels painted, all looking lovely. Little bit of gyprock to fix just behind there, and then that's ready for paint. A little bit of touch-up paint. We used the wrong tape on the ceiling. A little bit of touch-up required up there, so but that's okay. But the piece de resistance for this week, and what has taken the most amount of time, is our pantry. So we chose these doors. We actually found these doors on Marketplace very cheaply, and they tie in really well with our country look doors from Caboodle. Obviously they need painting, and I need to put the handles in yet. So the front two doors, just turn on the pantry lights. Front two doors open to give you access to your day-to-day products, and of course we've only just started putting stuff in here. So that's your day-to-day. And then the back two doors at either end for the stuff that you don't get so often, like your mix master and your ice maker and whatever else you've got. Tas oak trim down here. Still got to put a piece of tas oak architrave around here to finish that off, and then a little bit of touch-up paint as well above there. And of course the other end, another access in here for stuff that you don't get very often. Flooring, haven't continued any flooring yet because had to fix this down here first. And again, big thanks to BJ, my mate. We have now fixed all of the rotten wood and shored it all up, and it's all nice and tight and firm. So a little bit of planing to do because the wall's a little bit bowed there, and then I can whack a sheet of gyprock on there, and that side's done. All the other side, of course, all of this stuff is coming out when I do the ensuite, so that's why I'm not worried about that at the moment. Yep. Big week, but oh, quarter rounds. Forgot to show you the quarter rounds. Quarter rounds are all in. How good does that look? Nice and finished. Ties in really nicely with the tas oak beams. Still have to finish a little bit of, there was a crack in the wall up here, got to finish that, and a little bit of finishing work up in here, and a little bit of paint on the ceiling, because I had to redo this piece of cornice because this sheet of gyprock onto the bricks was a little bit wavy. And now all tas oak trimmed all around the end of the brick wall and matching on this side. So yeah, not a real lot of content this week, really just an update video for you to show you what we've done, but really pleased with what's gone on. And again, big shout out and big thanks to my mate BJ for all your help. So next week, hopefully everything goes right. Tiling and paint will be done and this will be finished. Yay. Cheers. See you next week.